Welcome back to a new video on TechTube. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to install Gcam or Google Camera onto your Android phone. It's pretty simple, so let's get right into it. Open up your web browser and then search for Gcam APK. You can choose any of these websites. For now, I'm going to pick this one. You can just scroll down to the bottom and you can see various versions of the Gcam. To pick the latest versions, you can see the latest versions up top, but you can really pick any version that you want. Just tap on download link and tap on download. Once you do, the download will start, and once the download is complete, you can open up the file manager on your phone and open up the downloads option. Inside of here, you'll see the option of the Gcam. You may need to extract a file because it may be in a zip file, so just tap on the file and tap on extract file and just select the folder that you want to extract to. Once you selected the folder, the files will extract and it's going to show you an option of Gcam. You can tap open it and tap on the APKs. Once you do, an installation menu will open up. Tap on install. Once the installation is complete, tap on open. And there you go. Gcam now has been successfully installed and downloaded on your phone. So that was the exact video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in a new video. Thanks for watching.